In this video, we'll see how to turn simple frying oil into biodiesel, or at least we'll try. The reaction that allows used frying oil to be converted into biodiesel is called transesterification. Vegetable oil is mainly composed of triglycerides, which are molecules made of one glycerol molecule linked through ester bonds to three fatty acids. These ester bonds are chemically stable, but they can be modified if they are reacted with an alcohol in the presence of a basic catalyst. In this case, the alcohol used is methanol, and the catalyst is sodium hydroxide. The role of sodium hydroxide is not to react directly with the oil, but to activate the methanol. In solution, sodium hydroxide deprotonates methanol, forming the methoxide ion, which is a much more reactive nucleophile than neutral methanol. The methoxide ion attacks the carbonyl carbon of the ester group present in the triglycerides. This attack breaks the bond between the fatty acid and glycerol and leads to the formation of a new ester in which the fatty acid is bound to methanol. This process happens 3 times, once for each fatty acid linked to glycerol. At the end of the reaction, from one triglyceride molecule, you obtain 3 molecules of fatty acid methyl esters, which make up biodiesel, and 1 molecule of glycerol as a byproduct. Now let's start with the synthesis. This is what we'll need: vegetable oil, sodium hydroxide, and methanol. First, I poured 300 milliliters of oil into a 500 milliliter beaker. Then I took my heating plate and heated the oil up to about 60 degrees Celsius while stirring. After that, I measured 76 milliliters of methanol with a syringe into a beaker and added 5.56 grams of sodium hydroxide. I stirred it on my heating plate to dissolve the sodium hydroxide in methanol, forming methoxide, a much stronger nucleophile. However, I noticed that the hot plate was still too hot after heating the oil. The methanol started to evaporate, and this is a problem because methanol is toxic and not safe to breathe. So I swapped it for my heating mantle and continued stirring. When I was eventually done, I slowly poured the methanol with sodium hydroxide into the oil and kept stirring, maintaining a temperature of about 60 degrees Celsius for roughly 2 hours. Then I transferred everything into 2 separatory funnels and left the biodiesel and the glycerin that had formed for about 12 hours. The next morning, I found something strange. The mixture had solidified. It had become kind of gelatin-like. I tried transferring everything into a crystallizing dish, but I only ended up making a big mess. So I decided to throw everything away and start over, but this time with only 150 milliliters of oil. I heated the oil, added sodium hydroxide and methanol, and left it in the beaker for a few hours to see whether the gelatin-like material would form again. Unfortunately, after just a few hours, I observed the same thing. At this point, I honestly don't know what I'm doing wrong. Before making this video, I read several lab reports on this synthesis, and they all suggested the same procedure I used in this video. So now I'm asking for your help. What am I doing wrong? Where could I improve? The comment section is open. Anyone who has suggestions and wants to share them would be very appreciated. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.